Hello. Alright, this time let's go over a problem involving mixed numbers. Okay, so it's a division, a mixed number divided by another mixed number, this problem here. So every time your division involves fraction, make sure you use this secret that we talked about. Alright, to divide by a number is the same as to multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal of what? Of the number which divides. Okay, in this case it's negative 3.5. Now the trick here is we need to change the both mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, to do that you multiply the whole number times the denominator of the fraction. You get the product, which in this case 5 times 2 is 10, and then you add 1, the numerator of the fraction, to the product. So 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, divided by 2, or over 2. Change the division into multiplication. Alright, now let's find the improper fractions of negative 3.5. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, plus 1 is negative 7, divided by 2. Okay, and the reciprocal is 2 over negative 7. Okay, and then of course you multiply. Okay, you multiply across. That's the rule for multiplying fractions. Okay, so 11 times 2, that's what you have on top as a numerator, and below is 2 times negative 7. Okay, now let's write the products. This is going to give us what? 22 on top. Alright, divided by 2 times negative 7 is negative, right? Positive times negative is negative 14. There you go. So now we can simplify this. Remember, the rule is positive times divided by negative or times negative is negative, this one here. Okay, the rule for multiplication and division is the same. So positive 22 divided by negative 14, we will have a negative number. 14 goes into 22 one time. And the remainder is what? What's the remainder? 8, is it? Yes, 8. Alright. 22 minus 14 is 8. So negative 1 and 8 over 14. Now we need to reduce this fraction. Alright. 8 divided by 14. So negative 1, we bring it over. So 8 and 14, both of them are divisible by 2, right? Okay. So 8 divided by 2 will get 4. And 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay. Now 4 over 7 is no longer reducible. So that's the simplest form. So the answer is this: negative 1 and 4/7. Alright, so this problem here, 5.5 divided by negative 3.5 gives you negative 1/4/7. Alright, it's very simple, isn't it? So what I would like you to do is practice using these 3 problems. Alright, pause the video and practice, and every time you need to listen to the video again or watch it, replay it until you get it. Alright, I'll see you in class. Take care. Bye.